प्रीनेटल बिफोर बर्थ, जन्म से पहले. परपेचुअल, continuing for a long period of time without interruption. Perseverance, constant effort to achieve something. Pervasive, having presence or effect everywhere. अगला pessimistic, very negative person, somebody who always expect the worst to happen. Pestle, a heavy tool for crushing through pounding. Philanderer, a man who has sexual relationship with different women. Philanthropist, one who loves mankind. Philatelist, one who collects and studies stamps. Philately, collection of stamps. Philistine, one who does not care of art, literature, etc. Philogynist, a person who likes or admires women. Phonetics, a science of sound of a speech. Pilgrimage, one who visits holy place. Pioneer, the first man to research and develop a new knowledge or activity. Pious, deeply religious. Plagiarist, one who copies from others' writer. Plaintiff, one who brings case in the court. Plaintive, sad sounding sound. Plaque, flat metal or porcelain plate fixed on a wall as a ornament or memorial. Plebeian, a common man of the society. Plenipotentiary, a diplomat having full authority to act on behalf of the government. Plutocracy, government by the wealthy. Podium, a small platform on which a person may stand to see by audience as been making a speech, etc. Polyandry, practice of having several husbands. Polychrome, painted or printed in several colors. Polygamy, the customs of having more than one spouse at the same time. Polyglot, one who knows many languages. Polygon, a figure with many angles or sides. Polygyny, marrying more than two females. Polymath, person of wide knowledge. Polyphony, the style of harmonizing different melody together. Polytheism, belief in more than one god. Polytheist, one who believes in more than one god. पोपी, एक पौधा जिसके फल से अफीम बनाया जाता है. पॉजिटिव, someone that always follow the positive view. Post, group of people with the same job or purpose. Post-diction, addition later or after the finalization of the main part. Posterior, coming after the time. Posthumous, a child born after the death of his father or a book published after the death of his author. Postmortem, medical examination of a dead body. Postpartum, after the birth of the baby. Postscript, a short massage added on the end of a letter after the signature. Potable, water fit for drinking. Potpourri, a mixture of different things. Predator, an animal which prey on other animal. Preface, an introduction to a book. Prejudice, to be voiced against. Prelude, the introduction of background at the beginning of a play. Premiere, the first performance of a play or film. Preoccupation, the state or condition of being preoccupied or engrossed with something. Presbyte, an elder or minister in the church. Priest, a person who performs religious ceremony. Prim, showing a dislike of anything improper. Proclaim, say public that something important is true. Procrastination, the act of delaying or postponing. Prodigy, a young person who exceptional quality. Prognosis, a forecast of the result of a disease or illness. Prologue, a speech by the dramatist at the beginning of the play. La propensity and inclination of natural tendency to behave in a particular way. La prophecy, a prediction of what will happen in the future. Prophet, one who foretells event correctly. La proscenium, the part of a theater stage in front of the curtain. La prosecute, take legal actions against somebody. La proselyte, one who persuades someone to accept a particular belief. La protocol, rule of behavior in formal situation. Prototype, the first model of a new device. La puzzle, a scared song or hymn. Pseudonym, an imaginary name assumed by an author for disguise. La spice, innermost feeling. La psyche, one who has a strong mental power. La psychosis, severe mental diseases. La puerile, childish, silly or immature. Pug, a type of a small dog with a turned up nose. Pugnacity, inclined to fight or be aggressive. La pun, commencement of adjacent word with the same letter. La purgative, a medicine meant to clear body of harmful substance. La puzzle, something that baffles or confuses an enigma. La pyre, heap of combustible material, especially one for burning a corpse as a part of funeral ceremony. La prototechnics, the art of making fireworks. Pact, a formal agreement between individual or parties. La Pantheon, a temple dedicated to all the gods. La Pantomime, a dramatic entertainment in which performers express through gesture. La Pariage, a person who is not accepted by social group, especially because he or she is not liked, respected or trusted. La Parts, resolve a sentence into its component parts and describe their synthetic role. La Parvenu, one who has suddenly gained new wealth, proper or power or prestige. La Penalty, a punishment imposed for breaking a rule or contrast. La Periodicity, a tendency to recur at interval. La Perplex, make someone feel completely baffled. La Petra, make anxious or unsettled. La Pestiferious, that which is morally dangerous. La phobic, having or involving an extreme or irrational fear of or aversion to something. La placebo, a substance that has no therapeutic effect, used as a control in testing new drugs. La pledge, a solemn promise or undertaking. La pliable, easily bent or flexible. La pragmatist, one who values practicality. La predilection, a bias in favor of something. La prelude, an event serving as an introduction to something more important. La prevaricate, make evasive or misleading statement. La proliferate, increase rapidly in number, multiply. La purr, of a cat make a low continuous vibratory sound expressing contentment. La petrify, decay of organic matter producing a faint smell. Quadrangle, a court or open space, usually rectangle and enclosed by a building. La quadruped, a four-footed animal. Quango, a semi-government administrative body. La quarantine, confinement to one place to avoid a spread of infection. Quennial, an event which happens once in 5 years. La rabble, a disorderly crowd, or a large group of butterflies. La raconteur, especially skilled in storytelling. La radicalism, belief in complete change or reform. La ransom, money paid to get a person freed from captivity. La rationalist, the person who believes that reason rather than experience is the foundation of certainty in knowledge. La rattle, to make or cause to make a rapid succession of sharp knocking sound. La recall, to bring a fact, event or situation back into one mind's remember. Resent, to disown one's belief. Recess, a period when the preceding break temporarily. reciprocate, to give and receive mutually, reckless, heedless of danger or consequence, recluse, a person who withdraw from the world to live in seclusion and often in solitude, recollection, the action of remembering something, reconnaissance, informing gather activity, recruit, enlisted as a new member, relativism, too much official or bureaucratic formality, reef, formation containing rugged rock or coral, referendum, asking everyone for an opinion, reflection, throwing back light without observing it, reformatory, an institution for reforming young offenders, refraction, passing of a wave through medium of different density, refrain, a comment of often repeated, refuge, the state of being safe or shelter from perceived danger or difficulty, regression, the return to a less developed condition, rejoinder, a witty reply, remind, to cause to remember someone or something, reminiscence, to talk or write about old times past experience, remonstrate, to make a forceful protest, rendition, artistic, musical or dramatic interpretation, renegade, one who desert a belief or party, renovate, to restore to a good condition through repair, reparation, a compensation for the wrong act, repartee, quick bitty reply, repatriate, to send back a person to his own country, replica, an exact copy or model of something, repose, a condition of rest and feeling calm, reprieve, to cancel or postpone a punishment, resort, a place for improving one's will, responsive, reacting quickly and positively, retaliate, give it tit for tat, reticent, one who speaks less, reticule, lady, handbag or walk, retinue, group of attendant and servant going with a person, retrace, to take one's step back, retrospective, looking back or dealing with past event, revelation, intended to wake up soldier, review, formal assessment of something, revolutionary, person who advocate or engage in political revolution, rhetoric, the art of affecting writing or speaking, right, religious or social custom or observer, robust, strong in build, rockery, a group of nesting rooks, rustic, lacking culture and sophistication of the city, rancid, disgusting and an unpleasant smell, receptacles, a hollow object used to contain something, recitation, the action of repeating something loud from memory, repentance, atonement for one's own sin, repetition, an unintended consequence of an event or action, especially an unbelieven one, requiem, a mass held to pray for the peace of the departed soul, reverend, a feeling or showing deep and solemn respect, ruffle, disorder or disarrange someone hair typically by running one's hand through it, subtoge, international damage to race production, sacrilege, violation of something holy or sacred, cemeterian, one who helps other in need, santonarium, senator, a place with good climate for invalids, sanctify, to make holy or purify, sanctuary, reserve for animal, bird, etc. in the natural habitat, sanctum, a sanctorium, a very private place, sanctfruit, balance of mind in difficult situation, satire, a piece of writing intent to mock at something, sad, to fry quickly in a little hot oil, scar, a mark remaining on the skin for a wound, scenic, relating to a beautiful natural scenery, skeptical, having doubt over something, scepter, a staff carried by king as a sign of authority, schematizing, arranged in a symbolic and simplified form, scintillating, may be vivacious and lively experience, scream, one who lives cheaply and spends little, scrupulous, diligent, thorough, and extremely attentive to detail. Scholarly, a place beside kitchen where washing etc. is done. Secular, that which is a government in which all religions are honored. Sedative, a drug taken for its calming and sleeping-induced effect. Sedition, an act of speech to make people incite against government. Seer, one who tells what will happen in future. Seismograph, an instrument for detecting earthquake or a tremor. A septuagenarian, a person in his 70s. Sexagenarian, a man in his 60s. Sack, a simple earth sheath, a case in which sword is kept. Shiver, to shake slightly and uncontrollably as a result of being cold, frightened, or excited. Sibilant, making or characteristic by a hissing sound. See, to surround an area of enemy. Sine qua non, an essential condition. Sincere, an office with high salary but no work. Sinister, giving impression of something harmful to happen. Siren, a woman who is considered to be alluring or fascinating but also dangerous in some way. Skit, a short comical writing. Sleepy head, inattentive person. Slippery, that which cannot be captured. Swallow, the dead skin of a snake. Snob, a person excessively proud of his status or wealth. Sobriquet, a person's nickname. Sorry, an evening party at a private bus. Sojourn, a short and temporary stay. Soliloquy, talking to oneself. Solitude, condition of being alone. Solstice, the time when the sun reaches its highest or lowest point in the sky. Somnambulist, one who walks in sleep. Somniloquist, one who talks in sleep. Somnolent, causing drowsiness. Sonnet, a poem of 14th line. Soothing, giving comfort. Asporific, a drug or other substance that induce sleep. Porno, a singer with high speech voice. Spot is short yet topper, one who is habitual drunkard. Souvenir, something that reminds an event. Spendthrift, one who spends money extravagantly. Sponerism, an error where the speaker interchanges the letter of the two words. Sporadic, occurring at irregular interval in time. A sprint, to run at full speed over a short distance. Stable, place where horses are kept. Stack, a pile of objects, typically one that is nearly arranged. Stall, to stop from progress. Stampede, a sudden rush of frightened people or animal. Steam, to cook food by heating in the steam for boiling butter. Steroid, an organic compound. A stevedore, one who loads and uploads ships. A stimulant, a substance that raises level of psychological or nerve activity in the body. Stir, to move a spoon or other implement round and round in a liquid or other substance in order to mix it thoroughly. A stoic, a person who is indifferent to pleasure or pain. A person who is unaffected by emotion. Stowaway, one who hides away on a ship to obtain a free passage. A straight and narrow passage of water combining two large water bodies. A stratagem, a dishonest plan to get things done. Subalter, flower status. Subjugate, to bring under dominions or control. Sublimate, to transfer into a pure or idealized form. Subpoena, an order requiring a person to attend a court. Subservient, to willing to obey others people.